So this is what happens in the African wild. But those doors are locked.
There's
Oh,
your,
shame.
your video in right there?
Yes.
Lovely boy. Can you see, like? No, okay, this one though. Oh,
They will try to get away. But I think the zebra's worst away.
Look at him.
As you can see,
He's got his leg, eh?
Crocodile's got the zebra
Jeez.
in his jaws. His leg's broken.
Oof.
And there's actually 2 crocodiles there.
Yeah, you see, once the other one comes now. He's pulling him out. He's...
That looks so.
He's got it.
His leg is almost off.
Oh, he's away. He got away there. Ah, but his leg is buggered.